In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this dehydrated spicy okra. You can either eat this as a snack or you can add it to your meals. Let's get started. So this is the okra that I picked this morning from the garden. Now I've washed it off and I'm letting it air dry. Okay, so now that our okra is all washed, we're going to slice it up and put it in the bowl. Start laying out all of the okra. Okay, so we're going to dehydrate this at 130 degrees for 14 hours. Okay, so our okra's finished. See how it looks. It's real crunchy. All dried out. Okay, so now I'm going to put okra into this canning jar, and then I'm going to seal it with the food saver. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, so we ended up with 2 jars of okra, seasoned okra. Okay, so to seal these jars, we're going to take all of the air out of the jar, okay? Now this is good for dry items. We'll put canning lids on. Then we'll take this, made by Food Saver. It's a jar sealer. I'm going to put this right on top of the jar. Push it down. Okay, so we have 2 jars of dehydrated okra that's pre-seasoned, hot and spicy.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.